Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you are doing well. I'd like to show you today how you can generate a journey with Alex AI. Let's go to the platform. So here you have on the home page here the capability to already click here and generate a journey map with Alex AI. You can also, by the way, generate a persona with Alex AI, or you can go to design and to journey map, then hit new, right? And then you have the possibility here to generate with Alex or just a new regular journey. So let's hit to generate with Alex AI. So here with a single prompt, you can type, right? You can already give an order to Alex. So I'm going to do like a car accident claim journey in the United States, for example. And I can also upload a reference file. So if you have a document, about car accident claim journey, any type of document that you think are relevant for Alex to take into consideration, then you can upload it here. Then the next step is to select the items you would like Alex to create. So you have touch point, pain, gain, findings, opportunity, solution, right? So this is all the different items I would like Alex to generate for me. Then you can ask Alex also to generate a specific persona for this journey, or you can go into your persona library and select one of the persona that you think is relevant for this journey. And then here you can select the template. So here we have already selected by selecting all these items. It's the detailed template of Cemantica, but then you have your own organizational templates that you can also select and use. All right. So now let's hit generate. So what Alex is doing is looking for all the information, so it's generating the journey and also the persona as well. And let me tell you how Alex is working. So first, it will take like about 2 minutes to 5 minutes to generate the entire journey, depending on the complexity of the journey. And the sources of Alex, you have three different sources for Alex. The first one is everything that you have in your environment. So all the journeys that you've built, personas, all the document that you uploaded inside your environment, it will take a look at it to study, who you are and how your organization is working. So it's taking, a quick look at everything you have in your environment. That's the first source. The second source is looking for all the different information available out there about a car accident claim. So it could be trends, statistic, reports, anything that is available and public. It will take a look at it and combine the information with the first source. And then the third source is the Cemantica templates, because we've been through so many journeys. So we've built specific templates and with a specific methodology. So we make sure that Alex has generated the right information with the right categories. Here you go. You can find here the car accident claim journey. So you have all the stages that have been built. The phases as well that you can see here. Then you have the stage description and you have an image. Then Alex has generated all the interaction, right? Then you have the pain points, the gain points, the opportunities, and the solution that were generated. All right. So if you'd like to know more about Cemantica and how Alex is working, you can go to on our website, www.cemantica.com, or write us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.